Hi everyone, and it is a beautiful fall day on Sunday. So what am I doing today? What's going on? It is 2 o'clock in the afternoon and this is late for me to get to you guys. So this morning I did not have the gym and I woke up at 5 but stayed in bed at about 7. And then I went to do my peppers, which takes quite some time. I roast 30 peppers each week, made my peppers, and while they were roasting, I went down to the basement and thoroughly cleaned out the bunny's mess down there, including bringing his cage outside and hosing it off, closing off all his litter boxes, and moving things, and scrubbing floors and walls, and you name it. After the basement was cleaned, I had gone and changed my sheets and obviously finished up the rest of my peppers. Started packing up our bathrooms because we're remodeling one bathroom and putting in our vanity and medicine cabinets into another bathroom because they're still good. But the rest of the bathroom needs to be gutted. The tiles are all cracked and whatnot. And I still have more packing up of one bathroom to do. And what else did I do? Oh, laundry, you name it. I was busy all day. And I went to the diner with my husband. So in the morning when I was doing all that stuff, I stayed in my PJs. And then when we went to the diner, I took a shower before going to the diner and I put on this outfit. So this is a black and brown sweater that I got from Trendsend Eve, I think last year. I love this sweater. I think it's cute. It's got the puff sleeves. It's got gathered here around the arms. It's like a half sleeve. It's probably in the mid 70s today. I have it paired with my cut from the cloth jeans that have these fun little pockets here. These jeans are quite long on me. I'm okay with that though. And I'm wearing them with my brown clogs. And this is what I'm wearing today. Stay tuned and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is Monday and we're really testing out my ring light today because it is dark out there, pouring rain, and about 7:45 in the morning. You're gonna have to excuse if you see any mess in my house. We are gonna get our bathrooms remodeled today, so we had to do a lot of shuffling, and because it's pouring rain, put down drop cloths all over our floors. So what am I wearing on this dreary day? Well, I decided to wear this kind of spring outfit. I am wearing this BB Dakota moto jacket in this great pink color. I think they call it lipstick pink. And I paired it with this sleeveless tart blouse that I got in my front door fashion. I think it goes so well with this. I got it the first time in my front door fashion and just could not afford to keep it. Sent it back, and of course I never stopped thinking about it, and my second box I said, you know what, can you send that back? So with it I paired my cut from the cloth split hem jeans, and I have my BP mules that I got from Nordstrom that match perfectly with the moto jacket. And this is my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is Tuesday and I actually took off of work today because we are getting construction on our bathroom, master bathroom, getting it remodeled, and my house is in disarray. And I was anticipating that they were going to be doing the bulk of the deconstruction today, but it ends up being they did most of it yesterday. So I'm just going to be relaxing around the house pretty much while they're here. They're going to be in and out the door. It's kind of hard to concentrate on work when that's happening. So I figured, you know, I have the days coming to me. I haven't taken hardly any vacation off this summer, so yeah, I'm taking the day off. So what am I wearing for today? Again, not planning on going anywhere. I am wearing this cute little like cami style top, which I'm not wearing a strapless bra because I don't plan to take my jacket off. It's from Stitch Fix from 9 Britain, okay? And I paired with it my little cognac moto jacket. I love this moto jacket. It's by Blank NYC. And I got it at Nordstrom Rack. And I highly recommend, if you want like any kind of a jacket, check out Nordstrom Rack online. I find things from Nordstrom, particularly in Blank NYC, get pushed down there and then go on sale for around $50. And I think that's what I paid for this jacket a couple years ago. I think this is probably like my 3rd season wearing this jacket. The jeans I got from a Stitch Fix. They're by Can. They're just a plain pair of boot cut, nothing fancy, nothing going on with them. And I actually didn't have anything like this, so that's why I wear these jeans. And I paired them, hopefully you can see in the shot, paired them with my clogs. And this is my outfit for today for hanging out at home Just seeing if the construction people need anything, and maybe I might run over to Target at some point. All right, take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is Wednesday and it is take 3. What am I wearing today? So today I'm wearing this Lucy Paris top that I got from a Wantable. I love Lucy Paris and the cute feminine details they have. Now this is a spring outfit. I realize that hopefully the fashion police don't come too hard after me. I'll come close so you can see the details of this blouse. Okay, so it has yellow and green floral print. It has the smock bodice in front. I'll try and show you the sleeves so you can get an idea what the sleeves look like. They are a full sleeve that is like balloon with the cuff down here and the little ruffle cuff here. And I am wearing it with this Anthropologie blank NYC jacket. I think I got a couple years ago. I call this color Sea Glass. I copied Laura from Little Box of Happy. She got it first and she showed it on one of her YouTube videos. And I ended up purchasing it myself on sale. With it, I have a pair of Days Denim Dad style jeans. They do have destruction here at the knees. They're a looser, wider fit in the leg. And I have it paired with my Sam Edelman Mary Jane style shoes, which I love these shoes, have this love-hate relationship with them. I think they're cool and everything, love them, but they're not the most comfortable. So I'll be probably taking these off and going to my slippers later today. And this is my outfit for today, for Wednesday. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Morning, it is Thursday and I just got back from the gym, showered, and here I am. It's going to probably be in the low 70s today, probably 60s for the most part. And I have to admit, yesterday I was cold most of the day. So hence all my jackets that I'm wearing. So what am I wearing today? Today I'm wearing this White House black market top that's in this dark olive stripe. That actually goes perfectly with this jacket that I got from a Front Door Fashion. It's an Ichi jacket. If you don't have a knit blazer, I would highly recommend them. They're like wearing a sweat jacket, but yet with, you know, a little bit more styling, you know? So if you're used to wearing a hoodie, it's the same thing, except it has lapels. That's it. With it, I have my White House Black Market Sailor jeans. They have the very wide leg as I stand back here and show you. Hopefully you can see my shoes. They're just basically a tan shoe, more like a little bootie from Steve Madden. And this is my outfit for today. You guys haven't seen a lot of unboxings or shopping hauls from me, and that's mainly because I'm redoing my bathroom and my house is just a complete disaster. Plus, there's just not much I really need. I kind of shop myself out. I did purchase a few things from miscellaneous sites. I think I got a Loft order coming, a Macy's order coming, an Amazon order coming. So once those all come in, I'll do a small little shopping haul with you and show you what I got. Okay? Take care, and until next time. Hi everybody, it is Friday and it is almost 5 p.m. I've been busy all day. I went to the gym, my usual 5 a.m. class, came home, took care of the bunny, quickly showered, and then ended up going to my nutritionist. Up this week, poor nutrition is the result. Need to get back on track. And then I logged into work and I've been busy all day. So yeah, I still dress as if I'm going to the office, but I'm not going to the office. So what am I wearing today? I am wearing this brown top that I got from a Trendsend. I sent it back the first time and then asked for it a second time to come back because I wanted it. So yeah, I'm wearing this Trendsend top and I paired it with this tan Kenzie blazer that I got from a Stitch Fix a long time ago, light tan, a beige color. And it has the 3/4 sleeves that are here, they're rolled up. And I paired it with my black, these are supposed to be boot cut, but they're barely there as a boot cut. They're like flare legs, like a kick crop flare practically, they're so short. And I paired it with my Chanel inspired shoes, my cap toe shoes. And this is my outfit for today from working from home. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is Saturday and today is a gloomy, overcast, rainy day, unfortunately. This has been the rainiest September I ever recall. We just can't get a break. What am I up to today? What am I wearing? So I woke up at 5 a.m. That's the time my internal clock went off. Stayed in bed till 6 a.m., which was glorious. Got up, fed the bunny, got dressed, went to the gym, and today was just weightlifting. There was no running today. It was a specialty workout where we did strength training. It was a pretty easy class, relatively. Didn't exhaust me too much. I mean, don't get me wrong. I use heavy as weights as I possibly can, and I was lifting a point to failure, but it's nothing the toll it takes on my body like running does. So did that, went to the grocery store, did my food shopping, came home, and made my peppers. This week I have 36 peppers because I am going to be eating them this weekend, and I wanted them to last throughout the week. And yeah, that's what I've done so far. And other than that, I don't plan on going out today. I might do a video for you or two, not sure. So what am I wearing today? It is cold, like in the upper 60s is about the highs it's gonna be, damp and yucky. So I am extremely casual today. I am wearing this white, I guess ribbed Henley that I got from Evereve. I believe it's made by Chaser, but it has the Evereve name brand on. I'll come close. So it has the snap button here front. It's a Henley style. It is ribbed, if you can see that. So it is more form-fitting. And the reason why I wore this is because I'm wearing my tan shacket. This tan shacket is by Thread & Supply. I like this name brand, Thread & Supply. I think it's a really good quality. However, I know shackets are not the best for me because they're oversized and overwhelm my frame. I own 2 shackets and that is enough for me. I don't want to invest any more in this trend. But you know, on a day like today is like the perfect day to wear something like this. I'm indoors, I want to be snugly warm, and this is perfect. Yet if I go out, I look like I'm more or less put together. I tried to even complete my look by putting on my belt, also from Evereve, and I'm wearing my Judy blue jeans from Stitch Fix. And hopefully if I'm back far enough, if not, I am wearing my tan Dolce Vita. I'm really being very relaxed and comfortable at home today. And this is what I'm wearing today. That wraps up the week. Thank you for joining me. And if you haven't already subscribed, give me a thumbs up and click that notification bell. And take care until next time.